Yo, good morning. Welcome back. A little update on the shop. It's real early right now. It's about 7 a.m. Everything's all painted right now. Sorry, I sound a little weird, a little congested. Got a stuffy nose and everything. But guess what today is? It's Wekfest or Wekfest, however you want to pronounce it. I'm gonna show you what we just been working on. Damn, Gunny, taking a crap in front. Look at the guy taking a crap over there. But yeah, I'm gonna open the garage real quick and we can check this out. So, just from the really quick time lapse, me, my brother Sita, and the owner of this car have been getting ready for Wekfest. Nothing but bad luck. He should be here any minute now. The show, he has to be there by 10. I believe check-in for him is at 10. It's about 7 right now. But yeah, so check it out. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Bam! Looking beautiful. Looking good, but ran into some bad luck. What's up, Gunzo? We ran into some bad luck. Yeah, it's messy. It was already a mess to begin with from the shop being built, but then we also added to the mess. Yeah, we ran into some problems yesterday. We couldn't fully detail the car because we couldn't get the car running. The owner had ran into a little issue. You know, this stuff always happens, especially automotive. I think just with everything in general, any projects. Once one thing happens, it's a domino effect. But he had snapped the AN fitting for the oil line that feeds the turbo. And we couldn't get this car running, couldn't air up the car, couldn't move it. It was just a nightmare, and the owner is really patient. He's good. He's good people. I'd do anything for this guy, him or Marissa. But they will be here soon, and we're gonna get this finished up. Hopefully, we only got 40 minutes to get it running, or maybe under an hour to get it running and fully detailed as best as we can. And pray. And I'm gonna take you guys for a little tour at Wekfest. It's gonna be a odd video. I'm not used to making stuff like that, the car show stuff. But this would be my very first time going. I'm a bit excited. And this car is going to be there, and 2 other cars are going to be there that I worked on, the GTR and the NSX. So it's definitely a little treat, you know. Everybody get to see the work that I've done. So stay tuned, all right? And we back, and we running. Owner's here, looking good, looking good. He's got it running. Thank God. We got only like 20 minutes before we can take off from our area to get to the show, so we can get there for the deadline. Thank God he found and located the AN oil line fitting. Nobody had it. Everybody was closed. Speed Factory was closed. Rich Tune was closed. But yeah, now we're gonna reverse it, button up the rest of the bumper, and we're gonna get going. Stay tuned. Cheers, bud. Love you, man. Love you. Show a little tour of the video of Wekfest. My very first one going, and seeing cars that we worked on. So stay tuned. We made it. We in line right now. We in line just to get our spot in. So that's Boo, owner of the car. We happy. Wekfest, the very first one right here. Cool. It was really nice to actually be in the one. So we're gonna see what's up out there. They got really cool cars out here. There's a Viper back there with a parachute. I think he about to go skydiving for reals back there. But stay tuned. worked on airplanes,
Yes.
but I work on cars too. I work on cars too.
I like the colors too.
You like the colors on the? You like the colors on the car that Daddy did? Yeah. High five.